Welcome to our channel. If you want to stop wasting money on bank fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to identify and eliminate hidden charges. Step 1. Review your bank statements carefully every month. Look at every fee charged and investigate any you don't understand or didn't expect. Step 2. Identify common fee types including monthly maintenance, overdraft, ATM, wire transfer, and minimum balance fees. Understanding fee categories helps you spot all charges. Step 3. Read your account agreement and fee schedule carefully. Banks must disclose all fees, so review the document to understand what you might be charged. Step 4. Ask your bank to explain every fee you don't understand. Customer service must describe why fees were assessed and under what circumstances they occur. Step 5. Request fee waivers for legitimate charges you can avoid. Many banks waive monthly fees if you maintain minimum balances, set up direct deposit, or meet other requirements. Step 6. Switch to accounts with lower or no fees if your bank won't negotiate. Online banks and credit unions typically charge significantly fewer fees than traditional banks. Step 7. Set up alerts to avoid triggering fees. Notifications for low balances, large transactions, or bill payments help you avoid overdrafts and other preventable charges. Step 8. Close unnecessary accounts that charge monthly fees. Consolidate banking to accounts you actually use to eliminate fees on dormant or redundant accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.